So here we have finished cut. Gonna hit that with some petroleum on the backside. Rust. It is so fucking hot. My shirt weighs like 3 pounds heavier just from the sweat. But we got both fenders cut. I can't even talk right. I need hydration. But anyway, here we are. We just got the other fender cut. Now I'm gonna clean the tire. We'll get some Rust-Oleum up there and maybe give me a snack and some water before I pass the fuck out.